Keep in mind, I did this whole job in slides. A bunch of fucking badass. Yeah, you illegal, you fucking immigrant. I-8 was fixed by a pair of Mexicans. Fucking bust that nut. Oh, damn. Oh, is it? Oh, shit. Oh, that one's fucked. Car's totaled. Car's fucking totaled. Damn. I think it's a 2018 I-8, the fuel pump is how do you say semuro, some shit like that. I'm gonna drop it right now. There's a... There you go. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Alright. Yeah, dude. Fucking ready? No coolant lines disconnected. Yeah, we're already invested. Damn, son. A bunch of fucking badasses. They said fuel tank out, no lines removed, nothing de-energized. That's it. We had enough room. Over to here, right here, and right here. Had enough room for everything to flex. Oh, a special tool. You think if you really tried, you could use a screwdriver?
Yeah, that's the spark or something.
Oh yeah, no. No, we don't want to spark at home. So, yeah, son. Super easy. Oh, bust that fuel pump. Oh. Yeah, boy. So right here, you gotta be a man. You gotta be a man right there to just lube the hell out of that and force it out. Lube. Oh, some
best friend, Lucy.
Some anal lube.
Mm-hmm. Anal lube.
Or that's period lube.
Oh, come on.
It's a family show.
Oh.
What the fuck? That's it. Yeah. Back in. You got the little dingle on the dangle. Now EKP has a program in, and then that's it. We could probably put it in right now, and then as this programming, do everything else. That's it. That's the old boy. Oh my god. You can hold that. You're cameraman now. You can look at this. See if it focuses on the corrosion. Shit.
It does.
Yeah.
I got contact cleaner.
Yeah, we can use some contact cleaner.
Sorry, I wasn't getting it.
No, you're good.
Wash should be in here somewhere.
Yeah.
Probably in here, but not a lot. So that's good to know we're on the right side.
Yeah, it needed it. It had corrosion at the connector. There we go. That's a good port. So we'll use some contact cleaner. The good thing is nothing looks burnt. Nothing looks burnt.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good.
Yeah, it doesn't look burnt.
It's not burnt? Oh, good. This is that fucking stuff that's kind of stays black, so just do the electric cleanup.
Just a little dusty. So you can loosen that bottom nut. Take this one off and slide it off.
You want to get some rags and put on those?
Yeah. I was hoping to find like a big pot of money stashed in here that you didn't know about.
That'd be crazy.
Right? Be like, yo, the job is free. God damn, that light is hot. What the hell?
Hold it.
Oh, is this blowjob Betty?
What's up, Betty?
I think that connector got hot.
Is that what?
It got hot.
Yeah, it looks like it, huh?
Yeah. Oh no, the drivetrain malfunction. What is it, like the Autel? Mine's a
MS909.
MS909. Mine's a MX808. That's the cheap one. Well, you got everything in here.
Everything, bro.
Fucking program this motherfucker. Activation.
Continue. Turn off LED.
Parameters.
I've never seen that.
What the hell? So I guess on the i8,
It's different, I guess.
you don't have to.
Code, you do have to perform the service function for taking it out of for basically transport mode.
Right.
Put into operation. Okay, let's see. It's not.
DME is green. No faults.
Let's look at the list. No faults.
Nothing.
Alright.
Fuck it, dude. What the hell? No drivetrain, right? It was on before. Wow. What the fuck? Nothing. Door. Oh, that was you?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, what the hell? You fucking, yeah, you're good. You're illegal. You stole, you're good. Right on the edge, but you're good. You illegal, you fucking immigrant. I8 was fixed by a pair of Mexicans.